In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Telegram. So guys, in this video basically is another easy method that anybody can do it and doesn't really require much effort.
Wait a minute.
But before we continue, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again any video that I'm about to release every single week. So subscribe, hit the bell notification. So in this video I'm going to use Telegram, but one of the bot that I'm going to use is a Dogecoin bot. First of all, let me show you on a coin market cap how is Doge performing lately. Basically, as you see, the market cap of Dogecoin is about 400 million, right? 400 million right now. The volume is 46 million as well. And as you can see the graphics, one of the things that I love to see the most is the graphic. You can tell the graphic like few years ago in 2018 was about zero. The mass value was about $0.01 the price. Right now is way below that market cap is 0.0035 and so on. So this is opportunity to take advantage to that so that you can jump it right now. And there is, as you see, there is like a gap right here. It's like Doge is going up right now. Maybe we're gonna see a big increase in a few years and so on. So make sure to do that to start using this bot and making, and you can collect some Dogecoin and make money. You can collect some Dogecoin right now, and it's very easy and simple. Okay guys, so you don't want to miss this opportunity because it may be the same opportunity as happened with Bitcoin, right? Like a few years ago it was like almost nothing, less than $1, but right now it's 11,000 right now. So take advantage of this opportunity. I'm going to show you this bot right now. So let me open this bot. You can use the link in the description to use this bot right here. So this is the bot, Doge click bot. It's very easy. This bot, you're gonna visit website. To every website that you visit, you're gonna earn some commission. You're gonna earn some Doge on your account. So you can go to settings, to balance. As you see the balance, you click here to see your balance. You see this is my Doge right now, and referrals. Every time you refer people, you are gonna get another money, another Doge on your Litecoin account. It's simple, very easy, straightforward. And let me click on withdraw. Right, this is my link to referral. I'm gonna share this link for people that want to use Doge. Anytime you click here, referral or withdraw, better. So the minimum to withdraw is 4 Doge. It's very easy to get this 4 Doge. You will get more than 4 Doge per day. I mean per day, simply per day by visiting the website. So guys, this is very easy. There is no more excuse. The minimum to withdraw is 4 Doge, and you can get 4 Doge per day or 5 Doge per day. Okay, so let's go back to menus. Click here, menus, and then visit websites. Click visit websites. When you click to visit website, you will see go to websites. Click here, go to websites, open. And it's all simple. It's all step by step, all simple. There is no complication. There is no, oh, this is so complicated, this is so, no, it's very easy. And when you click that, you're gonna wait for at least 10 seconds, okay? And then you will get the message. As you see, I'm getting the message right now. Stay on the site 10 seconds. I'm staying, okay, 10 seconds, and then you're gonna get your reward. This is how it works. Very easy, very simple. I'm waiting. Okay, I got the message right now. And when you get the message, you just click here, go back. You earn 0.15 Doge. Okay, go back, click here, go back. And yeah, you see that we already have it. Let me click here, balance, to see my balance. All right, you see 0.5 already, right? So our last balance was 0.4. Now we have 0.5, but we only visited one website. So this is simple guys, very easy. Let's go back again. So this is websites. It's very, you can just keep going, like per day, at least when you are like on the train, when you are basically doing that, instead of watching YouTube videos that basically doesn't help you that much, you can simply click on here, like click and get more Doge. You can collect coins and get money. Simple as that, guys. So simple. Waiting 10 seconds. I'm waiting right now. And by the way, give a like and comment what you think about this, guys. Comment everything that you want. Comment what you think about this. You earned 0.2 Doge, and I'm going back now. Right now, that's it, guys. I don't have to repeat the same process because it's all the same thing. You get the point, guys. Give it a try and start collecting some Dogecoin so that you don't want to miss this opportunity, because it seems that, as you see on the graphic, as you may see, that it may go up very soon. So I'm not saying that it will go up. This is my probability, or better, this is a good probability that it might go up, and you don't want to see this. Like maybe tomorrow you're gonna be worth 10,000, 20. I don't know. I'm not saying that it will be, but at least $100 will be, of course. So this is your opportunity to start making good amount of coins, or collecting coins to yourself, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and I see you on the next video. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you on the next one. Bye.